Hi, my name is Sarah, and today I will be talking to you about time management and organization. Today, we will be going over four main items. First, the organization theory and the 7 big rocks. Second, tips and methods for time management. Third, how to practice organization. And lastly, a reflection on what we discuss. Before we talk about the 7 big rocks, we're going to watch a video that will help us understand this concept just a little bit easier.
Getting distracted by little things in life is easy. By starting your day with trivial activities, you will not have the time for the things that actually matter. Whether you are a businessman, mother of 4, or a professional, anyone can lose focus of the things that are important in life and fill precious time with meaningless things. In the 80s, Stephen Covey taught the importance of prioritizing the important things in life, which will enable you to do more than you ever thought was possible. His concepts still apply to life today. Even if you think you know all of this already, the visualization metaphor really hits home. This demonstration from the 7 habits of highly effective people will change how you prioritize. If you lack focus and want to do more important things in your day, you have to check out this life-changing video. Though there's never enough time to do everything, there's always enough time to do the most important things. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, 7 Big Rocks, for more productivity tips. Getting distracted by little things in life.
Now think about this. What are your big rocks? When constructing a schedule, think about putting your big rocks in first. These are often fixed obligations or priority issues for you. These might include work, family obligations, school assignments, quizzes, tests, projects, or papers. Recording class assignments from the beginning of the semester creates a framework for your semester. It lets you know when you're likely to have high academic demands and when you will have more flexibility for scheduling pleasurable activities. Now that you understand the seven big rocks framework, let's expand and discuss tips and tricks for time management. First, when managing your time and your schedule, make sure to set priorities. Place your big rocks or priority items on the top of your list or calendar to focus on first. Then, you can add the little rocks or next priority items. Your rocks and your schedule should also align with your values and goals. It is important to define with those values and goals to create boundaries and help you define where you want your time to be spent. Setting boundaries sometimes includes saying no to certain activities, to prioritize other responsibilities, or setting time aside without technology to avoid the sand or low priority distractions in life. Second, keep yourself accountable by using time management tools. Usually, a physical tool can help you with time management. Choose what works best for you. That could be a paper planner, Google Calendar, the Trello platform, or a to-do list on your phone. There are a number of organized tools that you could use. We encourage you to try different styles to find what is best for you. There is no size-fits-all choice, and many people use a combination of time management tools. Whatever you choose, customize it to what works best for you, and have fun with it so it doesn't seem like a chore. Whether that be color coding with new sets of pens, adding daily quotes to your planner, or setting reminders in your calendars to go on a walk. These can all be ways to make time management fun. Lastly, make sure to keep your management tools up to date. By building this into habit, you will get more accustomed to time management and stay on top of your responsibilities. Third, remember to schedule personal time and reminders often. It is easy to forget to practice self-care and distress amongst all the other tasks and responsibilities you have. Although it might seem odd to schedule a time to take a nap, exercise, or take a break with friends, when you are busy, these times can be easily set aside. Last but not least, don't forget that there are many things that might come up that could throw you off your task management planning. Some examples include illness, family emergencies, or issues with commuting to campus. To help avoid this, we suggest scheduling buffer times between your tasks. However, some emergencies cannot be avoided. In those cases, be in communication with whoever might be affected by these sudden changes. This could include professors, friends, or family members. You will want the contact information for these people to be easily accessible. We suggest writing their phone numbers and email addresses in a note section in your planner or in your phone. Now, ask yourself, what methods do I use to stay organized? You can pause the video to think about this. But if they're working, then keep doing them. But if you cannot think of anything, then now is the time you can start with the tools we have learned today. Thank you. Contact us if you have any questions.